Across Cultures, 5E. Exercise 1, page 61.
Health services around the world. RFDSA. In big countries, it can be really difficult to get medical care to people living in isolated areas. In Australia, they have come up with a unique solution to the problem of providing healthcare to the 6.5 million square kilometres of the Australian outback. The Royal Flying Doctors Service of Australia, RFDSA, started in 1928, and today it offers healthcare from an aeroplane 24 hours a day, 365 days a year. The doctors are ready at any time to fly out to remote farms and communities to treat patients, often with only basic equipment. Also, they often have to fly patients to the nearest hospital, sometimes in very dangerous weather conditions. The brave doctors of the RFDSA save hundreds of lives every year, and the service is essential to all the people who live in the vast Australian outback. Health trains. Living in the remote communities of northern Kazakhstan means almost complete isolation for many people. Villages are hundreds of kilometers away from a city, and it can take hours to travel to the nearest hospital. The Health Train program started in 2011 just for these people. Now, 3 specially designed trains travel around northern Kazakhstan, providing medical care to people living out on the steppe. The trains are like travelling hospitals with doctors, nurses, and all the latest medical technology. This program has changed the lives of many people living in rural Kazakhstan. They do not have to worry about making the difficult journey to the hospital. The hospital comes to them instead.